Hello everyone. Today you are going to learn about different symptoms. We are going to study some symptoms vocabulary. So look at this picture. This is your friend and she is sick. You ask your friend, "What's wrong? What's the problem? What's the matter?" What's wrong with your friend? She says, "My back hurts. My back hurts." Or, "I have a backache. I have a backache." Now, back. What type of word is back? Is it a noun, a verb, or an adjective? Back is a noun. What about hurts? Hurt. Hurt is a verb. My back hurts. Why S? Because my back or it hurts. You know, for it, he and she, we use S with the verb. For example, he eats, she eats, it eats, S. So what's wrong? My back hurts. Or I have a backache. Here, what type of word is have? Have is a verb. Backache. What type of word is backache? Backache is a noun. Okay, next symptom. What's wrong? My teeth hurt. My teeth hurt. Now, no S here because we say my teeth or they. They hurt. My teeth hurt. Or I have a toothache. Sorry, I have a toothache. What's wrong? My stomach hurts. Or I have a stomachache. Stomachache. What's wrong? My, yes, my ear hurts. My ear hurts. Or I have an earache. Remember, an because of E, an earache. What's wrong in this picture? My head hurts. Or I have a headache. Or you can say, my head hurts. Same. I have a headache or my head hurts. Or you can say, I have pain in my head. I have pain in my stomach. I have pain in my ear. What's wrong in this picture? I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Or my throat hurts. My throat. This is your throat. My throat hurts. Or I have a sore throat. Now what's wrong? I have a cough. A cough. I have a cough. What's wrong here? I have a sneeze. I have a sneeze. Sneeze. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with this baby? I have a fever. I have a fever. Or I have a temperature. I have a temperature. Temperature or fever. What's wrong? I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. What's wrong? I have a stuffy nose. I can't breathe. I have a stuffy nose. Stuffy, a stuffy nose. What's wrong with his arm? I have a broken arm. A broken arm. What's wrong with her? What's wrong? I have nausea. Nausea. I have nausea. What's wrong? I have diarrhea. Diarrhea. I have diarrhea. What's wrong? I have a rash. I have a rash. What's wrong? I am dizzy. 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 I am dizzy. Or I feel dizzy. Dizzy is an adjective. Dizzy is an adjective. I am dizzy. Am is a verb. Feel is a verb. After am and feel, we use adjectives. I am dizzy or I feel dizzy. Okay, now we studied many symptoms today. Please go back and repeat watching the video and practice the new vocabulary again. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.